Are you having problems with limp pineapples? Let's turn that smile upside down and get it a little bit supported in the vegetable garden bed. Now, this is a bit of a dedicated pineapple section of our garden. The reason we've done that is because I wanted to. And while I don't really know how it's going to go, and we did buy these more established plants to give us a real head start in producing the pineapples, one issue that we've had with both of them was that very, very quickly, the pineapple itself on the big stem that it grows on kind of fell over. And it's somewhat understandable because obviously these grew in pots and they had like a big support plastic around them to hold moisture in and to make them obviously quite presentable and quite sellable. However, once I took that support away, while this one stood up for a little bit longer, it did eventually just go very, very limp. And I wanted to make sure that I was kind of keeping it stood up nicely because I think that's a little bit more natural. And the same is true on our more expensive one over there, which is a little bit more established. Obviously, we don't have to worry about the other plants that we've got in the garden here, which are just pineapple heads that we're going to hopefully grow into pineapple plants quite successfully, but that remains to be seen. For the moment, it's just babying the two established plants and just making sure that if they do fall over, we pick them up, kind of send them on their way, and also put in a nice little support system. Now, this support system here in this particular case is one of these U supports from Jack's. You can buy them at Bunnings. These come in a 2-pack of these smaller ones. I prefer the single pack with a much, much larger version of the same thing, but it's still the same pricing. It's $12 or $12.99. They're quite pricey. And I've just got some of this kind of rubber clad wire to hold it all in place, which it does the job. It's working quite well. And obviously our limp pineapple is nice and erect for now. And we'll just keep an eye on him, and hopefully all of our pineapples will continue to do quite well, which I think at the moment I'm pretty happy. Everything seems to be going well. And yeah, we've just got to keep an eye on it.